Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the hits I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino iqoki luthengelwe yimi. Nale siqotha saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
The news.
You like all of my words?
Yeah, we tell magama kana.
You still all of my... Do you want to be me, Lamine?
No, I don't want to be you.
What?
You with you.
What are my words actually? It's Nunu, Lily, Skat,
Oyini.
Intolian Kuyo,
Kuningi.
Betunana.
Andazi ndizithini. Konke. All in all.
Yes, I got that. Did you see how they passed? Sabayek, because it's Funungo.
I mean, it's akifana na neskwama sipi.
My
38.
My 38. Samini, can you stop? Can you say when you speak about my bag, speak properly.
Okay.
It's not 38.
Okay.
Thank you. What is it?
It's 38K.
No! It's my Louis Vuitton bag, darling.
Initialize.
Yeah, Lisa Sirame, LS. Ungangithengela ibag Lamini.
Ibhegani.
Yiwa isiyaxotsha kodwa. Ibag kaloku undithengele nyana noba nebag eyi-1 ye-design.
Maningi.
Hayi bo Lamini.
Abonga 5.
You are, please don't do that to me. You're Imagine me wearing fake.
Yeah, no one will know.
Hi, you. Fake iyabonakala Dlamini.
Okay.
Iyabonakala fake Dlamini. I can spot a fake from afar. Hi guys. Hey. How are you?
Wait, this is the...
I'm good. Listen, I'm sorry to ambush you guys. I go around asking couples questions.
Why?
Because, girl, I just want to entertain people. It's for my YouTube channel. Just 5 questions. It's a couples quiz. You don't want to be seen with each other. What's the problem? Hi, guys. I don't bite.
But you are gorgeous, by the way.
Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. So because I'm cute, I get pretty privilege. Can't get pretty privilege.
No, people are civil. Baby, this is over famous.
Do you want to be famous? I can help you. Come closer. Come closer, guys. I just don't want us to be in the way.
Baby, it's not like you can't allow your phone. How?
Why would you guys change?
So, for now, content And
then when we're done, you can actually give them your Instagram handle.
Okay.
Yes, so come closer.
Instagram.
Why not?
TikTok, Instagram,
YouTube. Love it, come closer. Upgrade.
Upgrade.
Boo, face the camera for me.
It's an upgrade.
Please face the camera for me.
Come this side.
It's an upgrade.
Okay, love, can you come to my left side? I want to be in between you guys and then you come closer.
Okay.
You don't like social media? What's wrong? You're not a social media gent.
Kisharp.
You're a corporate gent?
Yeah.
Or businessman? What is it? 9 to 5 or business? Oh. Really?
Mara ufuna nomuntu omuhle kaso mara ufuna
Ozobonwa. You understand?
ukungifihla. No ways.
You don't like things.
Hi.
But she is things.
How?
Men like things.
My things.
Okay.
Yeah. My things.
Okay, fine. You win. Name, please?
Khumutso.
and?
Ngobisa. Yes.
Ngobisa, how long have you been with Khumutso?
3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Is it a relationship or talking stage then?
It's a relationship.
When did you guys make it exclusive? In 3 months?
Ke honeymoon phase.
The honeymoon phase, but an actual relationship.
Yeah.
So, which means you guys are exclusive, Khumut.
Yeah.
So I don't expect you to ever cheat.
No, ke motho wa ka straight.
Okay. How you said you guys have been together for 3 months?
Yeah.
Where did you meet?
Ko Orlando.
Soweto.
Yeah.
Okay. What was happening there?
No le mnate re cheat.
Well, do you guys stay there or was it a villa?
Yeah.
Kind of
O dule ko rese ne mara ya re kopane somehow.
somewhere somehow. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that smile. Did you do something on the first day?
Too much information.
Why? Did you guys do anything on the first day?
How?
You guys met?
No.
It's fine to give it up on the first day. Guys, listen, there's no formula. There is no formula, guys. You can give it up on the first day and date someone for 3 years. You can give it up on the first day and date someone for 2 months. You can give it up on the first day and then the person ghosts you. You understand? So if you've given it up on the first day, don't be embarrassed. Have you given it? So you gave it up on the first day, Mobis?
Oh.
I know she did, Kumo, so I didn't like that smile. So she did.
No, she didn't.
Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna leave it. That is what we do on the show. Now we basically make couples switch phones, right? And we do that because we're testing your loyalty to each other. So we want to see if you guys are cheating on each other. All right. So you guys are gonna go through each other's WhatsApp. So would you be okay with it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Is that fine? Yeah, wavuma sona.
Ke motho wa ka.
Okay. Ngobisa, I don't like that look.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Why ka go doubt?
Me too.
Kishapi.
Okay, fine.
Ke batlile re.
Okay. Yes, she's the one that said, baby, let's go.
Tali.
So phone, please, Ngobisa. And Khomoto phone. Nice tattoo, by the way. I want tattoos, but they always say the hand tattoos are very sore.
Yeah, they definitely are not.
So as a first-time tattoo person, it's not a good idea to do my hand first.
Nah, it's not.
Please open. What's the least painful? Oh, she knows it. What's the least painful place on my body where I can...
Your back.
My back. Okay.
Please hold it carefully. The battery.
Oh, okay. No, Lovey, you need to hold it. Because you're checking his phone.
Okay.
Yes. All right, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you. Okay, I see Mobisa there at the top.
Oh, yeah.
That's you, ne?
Tiko. Sister yake.
Who's Zecho?
Sister yake.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay. What do you see?
Ngobisa, obviously. Okay. Tiko.
Oh.
Namake. Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type babe. Okay. Nothing dodgy. It's this nigga. Okay. Delete that. Type last night. Okay, clean. Okay, delete that. Type outside. Checking who your man is fetching. You again. Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who he's doing favors. Hey, I saw Khumut. Hey.
My man.
Spakile. Delete. Type test. You're testing for HIV, pregnancy. Okay, that's you. At least you guys are responsible.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill. I'm clean. Okay. I'm proud. Oh, sorry, my bad. I am proud. Sir. Ngomisa. Ungasenzeli phansi. Please open the phone. Ngomisa.
Siyenza ngani lento?
Why not you pin the phone now?
What does she mean, son?
Why kumele wazi pin yami?
Mawuthiwa kamusi.
Hayi bo, uwe phela wa-offer ukuthi ngazi pin yakho.
And then when I didn't offer.
Sure.
Hey.
Mara why?
Okay, no, so we've already gone through his shame.
Uvumile.
So wena uvumi.
Angivumi ngiyami.
Angavumi.
Khomotso,
Khona lokho emisimo wethu.
deal with your person, please.
Khona lokho emisimo. Ngabe kele kwa.
You actually, he's right. He's got a point.
Kuphutse phone.
Why?
Khona lokho emisimo.
So, is it, okay, Ngobisa, is it fair for you to go through his phone and then he can't go through yours?
No, it's not.
So then,
But angifuni ngefoni yakho.
Wawusabathi.
what are you hiding on your phone?
Nothing.
There's nothing on your WhatsApp. There's nothing dodgy.
Bula
So then why can't he see
Bula
it?
ke bona.
Angifuni.
Bula. Ngomso kubule phone yethu ke bona.
Umntu wakho Khomotso kuyabanda dikbe finished.
Okay, it's fine.
Then you
La ka ngala khona no ritse wa re eme. Ke tse ka re tsamaya.
Mossad sana gafuna usneak the phone. You
Ha.
all right. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp now. Face this side, love. Okay. Okay. Type love you.
Okay, me.
I see that.
Join her mom. It's her sister and her brother.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Okay.
Hamfijan one no fa phone ke me. Yeah.
I will clue.
How?
Oh, so far. So far, she's
So far how? You know what that's
Yeah.
for phone.
so far.
Ha, you know what sabathi.
Delete. Type test. Ngobisa,
What?
sibona izinto apha.
What?
Sibona izinto apha.
Ini kaloko?
Mfethu wa manza umujetse ona yeast infection. Now sa ntshwetsa mthotseo.
Mama, sondela. Come closer.
Ujesa manza na yeast infection. Now sa awant ke lo ntshwetsa mthotseo na. Ke mang mandla o tlo ntshwetsa mthotseo?
Akimtsibi.
What are you telling him? You've got a yeast infection. Go into the chat, Khomotso. Yes, prayer lawen.
Hey bo. Yo.
What is it? Sibona izinto banapha.
Sisicela ungazigeni.
Ndizigenile nyango.
After that night, I woke up with a yeast infection. After what night?
So which night are you talking about?
Yo.
Ngobisa akabuza.
Ngikongeke Khomotso.
Awuzokwazi kaloku.
Kama kwenza sebenzisa condom angakula mona.
Bengithi umhle yazi. Mhlawumbe qhayithi ngoba songifunda bazama nomuntu wakho.
Ke re nka mo kentse sebenzisa condom angakula. No aseba.
Ingelaphi?
Batla ngosala ne. Nna ke batla ngosala no.
So Yima, wait, Ngobisa, wait. Yima. There's something on your phone. There's something on your phone. Do you want to call Mandla?
Yeah, go pa phone na man.
Yes. Can I please have the phone? Because you're not going to tell us.
Yeah.
So Mandla's going to tell us.
Manje tla ka blang. So nsa batla phone ya ka. Na mama wa change le pin because ne ke tseba le pin ya phone.
Oh, she changed the pin.
Ke sacrifice ntse ngata so for wena ma Ngobisa ma.
Babe, I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Tsenela o tsabotsa nkulisa.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Ah ma. O phisi no mabutsumela mo.
Hi, am I speaking to Mandla?
Yes.
You're asking me if he knows Ngobisa.
Khuluma noba.
Ukhuluma no khomotso sho Godman.
Sure.
Sho Godman o meeting Ngobisa.
Uba wena.
Ah, Godman sa mbotsa ditshila. Ke botsa ka media ka ke bona o bua le media ka wa meeting Ngobisa.
Ngiyamazi.
Go tsagala between wena le Ngobisa.
Kwenzakalani?
Wangutla mosake.
Uthi kwenzakalani?
Ke go tsagala between wena le Ngobisa.
Yo, ifana mephi?
Hayibo.
Hayi manje bhuti khaphendule.
Ene ngaka motho mogolo so arabe ke go tsagala between wena le Ngobisa.
Sana mina kumele
Umuntu ubani phela wona?
Umuntu na how long nthola no Ngobisa?
bese raise ngelinto asayini.
Na how long nthola no Ngobisa?
It's not 3 years.
No 3 years. Ukhuluma ke nomunye umuntu kaNgobisa ngithiwa nomuntu wakhe ukhuluma nomunye umuntu umgulisile amanduzela umthumela zogulisa mina kahle kahle into yenzile wena.
Wena kanti kuba wena vele.
Ngithi umuntu kaNqobisa uRhumuza awuzwa kanti.
Wena umuntu
Nangu la ozokhuluma nomuntu wakho wena. Ozokhuluma nomuntu wakho.
Siba uzokhuluma nomandla ongamazi.
Angithi ugulisile ozokhuluma nomuntu wakho.
Ungenaphi wena?
Nqobisa ozokhuluma nomuntu wakho.
Kulise mina akagulisanga wena ungenaphi?
Nqobisa.
Qondiyeke.
Wena angithi wena ulala nami uzokhulisa mina futhi.
Uyamazi
Lokho ngikulande res. Yini ukunika imali,
nika imali.
Mina kunamalo. Let's why ke gutsumela. Ukunika imali.
wenza
Khotman.
Khotman azokulisa amakhotman wezokulisa thini intanga zakho.
It's all right. Kunini ngisifuna umsebenzi? Kunini?
Makanyaphana ngithengisa insango ngilungisa amafoni ngiyakunika imali kanti ufunani?
Ngiyala nje rezi budi.
Anikunika imali.
Unginika
Unganyana kumsola kuniki kanti ufunani?
yo, it's not enough then. Not enough.
Na ukhuluma umuntu wakho ukubiza umuntu wakho khuluma nomuntu wakho.
Mandla kuyazi Nqobisa.
Mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngizokhuluma nini noMandla. Yo,
Manje dropelana phone. Ungakhulumi nomuntu wakho.
Mandla. Are you going to say with Nqobisa kuchitela? Nokhomot.
wenzakalani lapho vele.
We are with Nqobisa and her boyfriend.
Ngosayela batha.
Khomot. So we found you. Yes, boyfriend yakhe.
Qala nonlona tse.
yo.
Naku
Mina ngiyazi ngikhuluma nini noMandla. Please.
Tata.
Ke re kitlo buta batho wena, utsi ba.
Mandla yini?
Wena.
Usuyada wena usuyaphosa.
No.
Yini pho lapho
Usona, utsi batho.
Baby ngizo-explaina lethu ukuthi kwenzakalani lana.
Hey, baby.
Ngizo-explaina lethu ukuthi kwenzakalani lana.
Ngomtshela lesini.
Ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Uzokutshela ukuthi ngimpaqile ukuthi yakuchitela.
Nokhuluma manje.
Uzokutshela ukuthi ngimpaqile.
Hayibo.
Tshela yona.
Yo.
Uzokutshela ukuthi ngimpaqile ukuthi ungichitela ngawe. Ungichitela ngekhehla.
Bazokuchaza phambi kwabantu. Bengikwenzela ifavor budi.
Ungenzela ifavor.
Bengikwenzela ifavor.
Ubhizi ngamakhehla uzongikulisa. Uzoklina ngami kahle kahle wena.
Baby ngizo-explaina lethu ukuthi kwenzakalani lana.
Awena uyithi batho wena.
Kephi? Yo angiyazi le ndawo.
Awuyazi nale ndawo kuyo.
Ubani pho manje ufana ukukhuluma la.
Ayithi bekezama ungenza ngcono uthi ngifake esichizini. Uthi nje sistrole la sibone soft life. Baby ngizo-explaina later toho. Yo board.
Ngolula wa.
Phone yami.
Please give her a phone, Dlamini.
DJ kumele ngingi.
Are you going to stay with this girl?
Kisha on Nqobisa.
You done?
Shabu, bengikwenzela ifavor but anyways, bye guys. Mwah, you're so gorgeous by the way.
Kisha bot.
I'm sorry. love.
Okay. Kisha.
I'm sorry.
Kisha.
You can go.
It's Masita onotlela mama.
I'm sorry, but go. But you were gonna sick. You were gonna be sick. I helped you.
Magasha.
She's got a yeast infection.
Things bambela tsinyana mas.
Okay. I'm sorry. A yeast infection, Dlamini. A yeast.
Mina ngazi yeast leyo wenza isinko.
No, a yeast infection is a vaginal infection. An infection inside the vagina. Or your vagina itches
So ihlala
inside. Like you itch inside.
akupheli ukisha kakhona.
Eventually, kuyaphela. Even if you treat it, even if you don't.
So uyilapha
But I don't know how you get it though.
mana mina ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi isifo sabantu besifazane leso noma.
Yes.
Oh.
But it's not like permanent. It's not hectic. Let me actually put it there. It's not hectic. But it is like you ISIS. Yeast infection.
So what happens if mhlambe nje uChris njengoba engazi beselala nomuntu one yeast infection?
I
What
actually
happens
don't
to
know.
him?
I actually don't know.
Yes.
I don't know. Anyway, Jams, someone said trying to act smart with me in the comments that, oh, Lisa, there was no need to call. So-and-so already confessed, the cheater already confessed that they cheating. Smarty pants. You're not so smart. The reason we call, irregardless of the person confessing, is so that the cheater has no one to turn to. Because they're going to cheat and hurt the person that they're cheating on, and then they're going to turn to the person they cheated with. So the reason we call, you idiot, is so that the cheater doesn't have anyone to turn to. so we can destroy all sides, because umntana abantu can't be hurt over here. Check your phone yakho, then wena uyolala esifubeni sikaMandla. Mandla has to know you also cheating on him.
Yeah.
So that's why I call even when someone confesses. Don't ever act smart with me. You will lose. Thank you.
Mana okay bese idlulile. Ngiyakwazi wena uyashesha uvela uthi phapha uyishaya straight umuntu adlule. Now before siqala ishow we were speaking about ishandisi yakho le and ibag yakho le. Mina I said le shandisi ne bag they look the same. Yabo i38 le lapha emobheni ngithi. So now when you said okay sakhuluma indaba yama fake what when you can spot a fake
From afar.
yes.
From far.
Yeah, so I fake uyifuna. Then it took me back. I was I think I saw it on TikTok, then I decided to go and check it out. Una le series engine about bad influencer.
Yes. I haven't finished it. I'm on episode 2.
Bengiqala ukuyibuza ngibuka episode 1. Shoo.
Listen.
Sure.
What a movie.
Shoo.
What a movie.
Bafethu. Umzansi uya.
And Cindy Mahlango.
Bafethu umzansi uyaphakama.
What an actor. What an actress.
Yazi ngigcinephi? Ngigcine lo yasise jumper ebaleka
Over the fence.
yeah, ngigcine lapha.
But what a show.
Qhubeka na ngibonile ukuthi it's interesting inani.
It's very,
Yeah.
and all the actors are so good. I love the fact that they used like real South African influencers so that we could relate.
Yebo.
So yeah, that was nice. And Zozi as
Zozi.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Ulungi.
Yes, sis. Yeah, don't tell me about Zozi.
Lo yasisi.
Powerhouse. The powerhouse.
Shout out to abantu abenze nje influence.
And Gambit, guys. Is it Gambit Productions? I don't even know.
I say I'm fine.
Hayi nisebenzi.
Yeah, it's Nuno's.
Nisebenzile nisenze abantu mane South Africa. Siyabulela wethu.
If awakayibuka mfethu influencer hamba lapha ku Netflix uyoyibuka uzoyibona.
Asisa advertising at this part.
Yazi.
But anyway, guys, are we wrapping up, loves?
Let's wrap up and go and look for another couple.
I wanna go home. Anyway, you wanted to Mzansi, let's close. Anyway, guys, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and of course follow Shams.
Welcome _Dlamini on Instagram. Welcome _Dlamini 88 TikTok. It's welcome Dlamini on Facebook. It's welcome Dlamini. Danko.
Thank you. Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Ngine khere kangakanani njenani ukhamba?
Yes.
Ama friends ngadlala.